Ladies and gentlemen, it has been a great honour to have served 5 terms as Member of Parliament for North Devon, and I'm deeply indebted to the people of this wonderful community for giving me that privilege. I would like to thank those with whom I have worked over the years in local government and public services, in the local community, businesses and voluntary groups. I would like to thank my loyal and dedicated staff who work very hard for the people of North Devon. I would like to thank my wife and family for putting up with the vagaries of parliamentary life. Above all, I would like to thank North Devon Liberal Democrats for mounting a campaign at this election which just 2 months ago we would not have thought was possible. But there comes a moment in politics when even the most magnificent campaign cannot withstand the political tide, and this was such an occasion. I think history will look back quite kindly on the contribution that the Liberal Democrats have made over the last 5 years in the national interest, but it will remain a fact that the political handling of it has had a terrible impact on our political interest. Be that as it may, I congratulate the winner on his victory and all the candidates on their campaign. And recalling the words of Jeremy Thorpe in similar circumstances some time ago, I will conclude simply by saying